Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial. Today we will see how can we create a password cracker using Python. So let's start. So we will use a random module from Python. So let's import it from random import string. Now let's ask the user to enter its password. We will ask the user to enter its password. Okay, what password? So now we need some predefined letters. For example, we will use small case letters. Okay, so we will use all the 26 letters from English. Okay, so here as you can see, so this is a list of all the letters which we will use. Okay, so these are small case letters A, B, C, D, like, okay, until Z. So now let's create a variable guess. This is a empty string. Okay, we will use it. Now let's create a while loop which will let us to compare the user password with our own guess password. Okay, so inside this we will type guess, that is until guess is not equals to user password. Okay, so we will run our while loop until the guess password which is guessed by the computer is not equals to the user password which is entered by the user. Okay, so inside this, every time when the while loop will start, we will make guess equals to empty again. Okay, an empty string, right? So now let's type, we will use for loop to guess the letters from the password here. Okay, so we will take random letters from the password variable. Okay, which is a list. So now let's type for letter in range of length of user password, because we want our guess password to be of same length which is entered by the user, right? So now let's move forward. Now we will use another variable which is guess letter, and inside this we will store some letters randomly from the password. So how can we do that? We will use our random module now here. Okay, so inside that we will select a word using randint. Okay, from 0 to 25, that is all the 26 letters these. Okay, from the password, right? So what this line will does, this here a letter will be given by this statement and will be stored in the guess letter. Okay, and let's move forward now. Now we will use our guess to store that created guess letter. Okay, we will convert it to string type and then we will concatenate it with the last guess. Okay, so every time there will be a guess letter plus the last guess which is already been guessed until the for loop. Okay, so now let's print what we have guessed. Print guess. Now let's type. So when we will print the guess every time, for example, let me type king, and it will just guess here and will create a 4 and will create a string of length 4 and will print it every time here. Okay, until this guess word is not equal to the user word. Okay, user password. So now if this will match, means here guess is equals to this user password, then the while loop will not occur again and will get terminated, and we will print let your password is guess, right? So now let's try to run the program whether it is working or not. So let's type the password. Let's type I. Okay, so as you can see, it just searched for some, it just created some random passwords, and until this I is not found to it. Okay, so when it just found, it just print the last statement, because the while loop get terminated when the guess equals to user password, that is guess was I and the user password was same as we entered the I. Okay, so now let's run again and see a 4 length password now, king. Okay, so it's just take a little run. Okay, so as you can see, when the king comes, it just get terminated. Okay, that is the while loop gets terminated, and the last statement, that is this print statement, gets executed. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.